Your $500 per month, you need to have it in cash. Defendants to pay monthly payments on the 15th of each month into court escrow.
Okay.
So you just bring it here, the $500. I don't know what their problem with taking your money. We'll be more than happy to take your money.
Thank you.
That's fine.
Court does call the case of Ping Shen versus Croy Ekafong, Lady Croy Ekafong NFC. Right. State your names for the record.
Sade Caillou Ashampong.
I'll say Ashton. Afternoon, Judge. Stuart J. McAfee happens to Shannon.
All right. And what are we doing on this case today?
Your Honor, you had scheduled this for just a review to be brought up to date, I imagine, on what
The payment plans, yes. So how is it going?
to date they've paid.
All right. And so how much is left owing on this?
$2,660.12.
So at $500 a month, it's going to be, oh, go ahead.
And I also have like an additional 500 monthly. When we had our case in our final judgment, I believe that was.
What she's saying is we were on the case together. So when we came to court the last time, you had dismissed my garnishment. My wife's garnishment didn't go through, so hers continued. When we put the paperwork in, he made it as another case, so she's still being garnished.
Well, it's $150, so I get paid.
It's additional to the $500 that we had already agreed to. So we're trying to figure out why and if we can stop that garnishment, because we're already splitting a payment of $250 because we're on the same case for $500.
So right now he gets 500, which was the case that was judgment, and then I pay an additional 150, so a total of 650.
Okay, so hold on a second, ma'am. You pay that additional 150.
Yep.
How?
$75 is taken out of my check every 2 weeks.
Got it. Mr. Mack, you know anything about that?
Yes, Your Honor, the defendants have actually misstated the facts. There are two judges at Facebook, two judges. So they are equally liable. So Mr. Akumengapong.
Hold on, no. So how?
Because we're on the same case, sir.
Sir, I didn't ask you to state anything to me. So, Mr. Mack, these parties agreed they were going to pay $500 a month.
No, they did not.
Oh, I'm looking at it right now. I'm looking at it on September 1st of 2023. You were present in my court.
Yes.
Defendants to pay $500 per month.
Defendants. Okay. And so what I'm saying is the judgment against Mr. Akumengapong was ordered by you at $500 a month. At the time, there was no garnishment against Mrs. Akumengapong. That's why we sued them both individually and severally.
So hold it. When did the garnishment happen?
The garnishment happened through the Ypsilanti schools. The garnishment was
no. When was that ordered? When did you request a garnishment?
That was ordered assigned by this court.
Where's Ann?
Okay, first of all, Your Honor, with all due respect to the court ordered me to prepare an order of garnishment concerning this year on, and the order clearly states, as of September 15, 2023, and no later than the 15th of succeeding months, the defendant Akumengapong is to tender $500 per month of plaintiff. And then, so,
all right. No. You can play those technicalities all you want with me, but here's the reality of it. The motion and affidavit for installment payment plans was filed in both of these defendants' names. Out of that motion for payment plan, I suspended garnishments because I would have to do that when I order the payment plan. If the order is incorrect, then I'm vacating that order.
I've got both right here.
Both what?
Separate names, separate garnishments. Both right here. Right here.
Show them this. Their motion and affidavit for payment plans. At the top, both names. It is in fact, once I ordered it, illegal for you to garnish either one of their checks when I've suspended it.
I'm going by what the court has ordered for garnishment. You asked me a question.
Okay, if you're saying, give me that file back. And Mr. Mack, we're gonna make it right. Today. All garnishments are hereby ordered suspended. As to both defendants. Defendants, plural, shall pay $500 per month as previously ordered.
Your Honor, there's something else I'd like to bring to the court's attention. Your colleague, Judge Barr, issued an order stating that Mrs. Angamendapong would pay $150 a month. I don't know if that's
Vacated. That's not what was ordered on this case. If you want to bring that up before Judge Barr and he wants to discuss it with me as to which order will hold, you can. But I will tell you in this case that these funds are coming from, it is $500 per month. As I've indicated, any garnishment that has been issued is hereby ordered by this court suspended. Counsel for the plaintiff will prepare that order and have it on my desk by Monday morning. Thank you.
Thank you.
Will date of the 15th,
Are we finished?
the date of the 15th that you had ordered, and
Date of the 15th of what? The payments? There'd be a payment 15th of each month, as it's previously ordered, but only $500.
as to both of them combined. So, and I want to get this clear, and there's nothing.
I think I'm very clear.
Okay, well,
These two will pay $500 per month, Mr. Mack. That's it.
okay.
There'll be no other garnishments of any personal wages or anything along those lines. Those are all suspended. You will prepare an order to that effect, my desk, Monday morning.
All I'm talking about is the mailing of it because of the issue. Okay, so these folks, they paid $14 to have some kind of expedited mailing, and they keep doing that. But I'm saying, as an officer of the court, and in fairness to them,
Well, what? You now want to be fair to them?
well,
Seriously?
well, Judge,
He set up an agreement where we could drop something off.
Well-
He told us that we could not drop it off at his office and that he designated a specific place
yes.
and someone else to give it to.
So-
So therefore and it was only once where I did certified mail for it on the 15th to be
Yes.
sent to him.
Yes, and they can keep doing that. They can well keep doing that.
It costs more money to do that. The reason that we said we could drop it off on the 15th
Oh.
because we don't get it until the 15th.
Yeah.
So we wanted to drop the money orders off as soon as we get them. But he's not allowing us to do that.
Well, it isn't that, it's about dropping it off. But. you
Well,
know,
he
Judge,
instructed us.
No, here's what we're gonna do. Your $500 per month, you need to have it in cash. Defendants to pay monthly payments on the 15th of each month into court escrow.
Okay.
So you just bring it here, the $500. I don't know what their problem with taking your money. We'll be more than happy to take your money.
Thank you.
That's fine. All this is done for their convenience. That's fine.
I'm done, Mr. Mack. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, sir.
Sam, you need to-
Court calls case, Group 5 Management versus Roderick Smith.
Hopefully you're in a better mood now. I'm here.
You know? Yeah, okay. I am seeing Mr. Smith. I'm in a better mood. All right.
Doing, y'all.
I'm doing well. Where are we on this case?
In the end, this courtroom hearing became a powerful reminder that court orders are not open to personal interpretation. They must be followed exactly as written. When the judge discovered that the defendants were still facing wage garnishments despite an approved payment plan, he carefully reviewed the record, corrected the mistake, and made it clear that fairness and accountability apply to everyone involved, including the plaintiff's attorney. The ruling ensured that the defendants would make one combined payment of $500 per month, while all additional garnishments were suspended, restoring the balance that the court had originally intended. Moments like these show why careful judicial oversight is essential to protecting the rights of every party in the courtroom. If you enjoy real courtroom stories that reveal how judges handle complex legal disputes with fairness and authority, be sure to subscribe to Case Authority for more compelling court hearings, legal analysis, and unforgettable courtroom moments.